Let's dive into division 186 divided by 2. Hey super math stars! Sparkles, if you're loving these math adventures, give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more fun learning. Let's go! Alrighty, let's start this division adventure. We're dividing 186 by 2. We look at the first digit of 186, which is 1. We'll bring it down to join our partial party. How many times does 2 fit into 1? It doesn't fit, so we write a 0 above the 1. 0 times 2 is 0, we write that down. 1 minus 0 is 1, we have a remainder of 1, keep going. You're doing awesome, don't worry about that little remainder, we've got more digits to help. Now let's bring down the next digit 8 to join our remainder 1. Get ready for the next step. Step 2, our partial number is now 18, look at that, we're making progress. We're using the 1 and the 8, so we have 18, we're ready to divide. How many times does 2 fit into 18? Think of your 2 times tables, it's 9. Let's check, 9 times 2 is 18, perfect. 18 minus 18 equals 0, no remainder this time. Woohoo, you're crushing it, that 9 is looking great in our answer. Time for the final digit, let's bring down the 6 to join the remainder 0. Last step team, our partial is now 6. We're just using the digit 6 this time, easy peasy. How many times does 2 go into 6? You know this one, it's 3. Let's check, 3 times 2 equals 6, exactly. 6 minus 6 is 0, we have no remainder left. You did it, that 3 is the final digit of our answer, high fives. And that's all the digits, we've successfully divided 186 by 2, our answer is 93. So 186 divided by 2 equals 93. We just learned how to divide 186 by 2, step by step. Remember, even big numbers can be tackled with a little patience and practice. You've got this. Great job, everyone. Keep practicing and you'll be a long division whiz in no time. See you next time on Let's Stud for more math magic. Bye.